Outfit check. Let's go.
Hi. We're here in Taiwan. Say it a bit ago.
Sana manalo.
Sa camera. Ayan. Start.
Hindi kami nanalo, di ako makahinga. Charot. So, dito yung lobby na yun. Sinihintay kami ni Uncle. Kasi susurprise namin siya.
Roma.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Many Filipinos are waiting for you. They're looking for uncle.
The sweetest days I've found with you through the years.
Very famous according to uncle.
So, dito kami dinala ni Uncle for lunch.
This one is good. I like this one.
Because spicy.
Yeah. This one is mild. Very good.
Very good. Here, it's okay. Do you want it? It's okay. Okay.
Taiwan kimchi.
This is Taiwan kimchi. 这个是黄瓜。很福建的。
Like it?
Oh, okay. Okay.
My little kid.
Okay.
Uncle's car. And this is you. And this is our family.
Okay, okay,
During
okay.
Taiwan.
What's this? A fried rice?
Fried rice.
Fried rice. Yeah.
You try.
Rice dito, guys.
Hi. Wow.
Later picture.
Para kami bumalik dun sa Chungcheng University. Ayan, di ko alam kung saan kami dadali ni Uncle. Sabi niya may cherry blossom daw dito. So, ayan. Si Uncle, dinala kami sa cherry blossom. Meron daw cherry blossom dito. Wow! Look, oh!
Hi. Ganda ng pine tree, love, oh. Ah. Wow.
Yeah, and your wife! And your wife! Yeah. Yeah. Sheshe! First night in Taiwan! Let's go! Ito yung Ximending, guys. Ito lang. Papunta to sa Ximending. Ximending! So, dito sa may Ximending, right side siya. Makikita nyo itong net. Sabi nila maganda daw yung mga damit dito. Kaya tara, tingnan natin. Cute ba? Ay, ito na lang. Hey, Dino. Kaya nga. Tingin pa tayo. Mga ganyan. Sa tingin mo, maganda pag mga ganyan. Gusto mo to? Ang cute!
40%.
Dinadaan-daan mo na naman ako sa sale.
Nakasale. 40%.
Hello po. Kuya Ma.
Uy, baka naman hindi na. Iba na yan. Nangilabot tuloy ako sa'yo. Shopping galore. Unang gastos.